Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for February 1 to 15, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see. Libra, what's up with you? First half ng February. Let's see. Okay, 9th house. Exploration. This is also higher learning. So, pwedeng meron kayong pag-aaralan, babalik sa school, research, or pwedeng travel opportunities din, no? Meron kayong pag-travel. Pwedeng, ito kasi ay international travel. So, yung iba, maaring may plans kayo of traveling ngayong first half ng February. You also have trine, sextile, symbiosis. So, you will receive help. Tulong, no? Makaka-receive ka ng tulong or assistance galing sa iba, no? Sa mga gagawin mo, especially if this is related sa pagto-travel, pwedeng may tutulong sa iyo na makarating ka sa bansa na yan, no? Kung saan mang bansa yung target mo. Merong support. You also have Aquarius, collaboration. Yes, some of you, pwedeng ipapadala kayo sa ibang bansa ng company ninyo, for training, for convention, or pwedeng dun ka muna for a few months, no? Or just basically opening up opportunity for you to work abroad. And some of you naman, meron ditong mentorship ibibigay ng isang katrabaho or isang boss or someone na naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. Parang gusto kang tulungan. Na, ito, alamin mo to, pag-aralan mo to, i-guide kita. Ganito lang yan. Ganon. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the 8 of Wands. A lot of things to do. And then, Temperance. So, maring maging very busy ka ngayong first half ng February. Marami kang asikasuhin, lalo na kung meron kang inaasikaso na papeles sa pag-abroad or pag-travel mo. Yung mga delays, no, tapos na, no, with the Temperance here. I think may mga plano ka noon a few months ago or weeks ago na hindi natuloy. So, ngayong first half ng February, ayan, mangyayari na siya. So, let's see your challenge. Your challenge is the Three of Pentacles and the Empress. So, sa resources, no, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenges. Ito yung parang, minsan kasi nag-expect, na magiging madali lang yung proseso na pagdadaanan natin sa mga gusto nating i-pursue sa buhay. But sometimes, no, kailangan rin natin na gamitin yung resourcefulness natin. So, maaring resources ninyo ay challenging ngayon. Pero, makakagawa naman kayo ng paraan yan. Like what I mentioned kanina, someone is willing to help you, to support you, ano man yung mga kulang pa or kailangan nyo pang i-produce. Oo. Merong willing na magbigay ng resources. As long as you are open to receiving help, no? Minsan kasi ayaw natin na tulungan tayo, 'di ba? Ganon. So, be open to assistance. So, sa inyo namang opportunity, you have the 10 of Cups and then the 9 of Wands. So, opportunity for you is to family kasi to so pwedeng meron kang opportunity na ayusin anything na related sa problema ninyo sa family ninyo. Pwedeng may pag-uusap. Someone is not giving up. So, maaring ikaw to, hindi ka nag-give up na maayos yung family ninyo, yung issues ninyo, or the other person, kung sino man sa family member na still holding on sa inyong connection. Oo, pwede na naman tong romantic relationship, pwede rin tong sa family, no? Medyo naging challenging talaga yung naging relationship or connection dito. Parang someone is may napapagod na, pero I think kahit napapagod na siya, naniniwala pa rin siya na maayos yung inyong samahan, yung inyong family, yung inyong connection, yung inyong relationship. And some of you may opportunity rin to travel with your family, with your loved ones. Let's see your blessing. Your blessing is the Ace of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So, ang ganda talaga ng blessing sa inyo. You have the Ten of Pentacles. This is about abundance, financial stability. With the Ace of Swords, parang may magandang balita rito, no? May magandang balita na related sa inheritance, no? Pera ng family. Pwedeng meron kayong inaasikaso na mga ari-arian na or pamana sa inyo or anything na hinihintay nyo na pera na makakatulong sa family, it is coming, no? Parating na yan. So, don't you worry. And also, another blessing sa inyo is meron kayong creative idea. Meron kayong magandang idea ngayon na pwede nyong pagkakitaan. You can monetize on that. Pwede siyang mas maging masagana pa. Can be a business. Soul Tribe, it is safe to be seen. Ayan. So, you are opening up. Yung iba sa inyo na medyo naglalaylo or naglaylo before, ngayon, mas confident na kayo to show yourself, to show who you really are. Ayan, divine timing. So, may mga bagay raw na pwedeng hindi nyo pa ma-receive ngayon. Kailangan lang patience, no? Patience is the key to success. I think the more na minamadali kasi ang isang bagay, malaki yung possibility na parang maging hinog sa pilit siya or hindi siya maging functional na kung ano pa dapat yung magiging function nito. Like for example, may minadali kang ayusin na sasakyan pero kailangan pa ng time para maayos yun, pero kinuha mo na, o diba? So, syempre, pwede siyang maging prone to accidents or malfunction ng sasakyan. So, timing is essential. So, may mga bagay na hindi kailangan madaliin. A wise woman. A change is coming. Yes, definitely. Some of you, Libra, lumalakas lalo yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. Maaring mas nagiging spiritually connected kayo ngayon to the divine. Like, some of you are undergoing spiritual awakening right now. So, marami kang realizations about yourself, about who you really are. So, ngayon, you are really, you are really tapping into that instinct, to that intuition para meron kang guide kung saan yung best na mag-work para sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.